audio, video, animations, and graphics to convey information in various contexts like entertainment, education, and advertising. We currently understand what the meaning of multimedia is. And the second one is the ICT or Information and Communication Technology, which we shall learn. ICT or Information and Communication Technology includes technologies for handling communications, broadcast media, and intelligent building management system. So now, let's talk about the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. So the first benefit is enhanced learning and education. Interactive learning, access to information, and distance learning are key features of ICT, enhancing learning experiences and breaking geographical and financial barriers. The second benefit is improved communication. ICT has revolutionized global connectivity through real-time communication and collaboration tools like Google Docs, Slacks, and Zoom, enhancing productivity and innovation across distances. The third one is increased productivity and efficiency. ICT streamline tasks, freeing up time for creative work, while multimedia tools aid in data management and analysis, promoting informed decision making and operational